What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys aren't a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I'm going to be showing you a demo of this sick theater room right here. This is an SVS system, 7.1.2 with JVC RS2000 native 4K projection, broadcasting onto a 120-inch screen. If you guys would like to purchase anything you see in this video, make sure to reach out and show your support. We have nationwide free shipping and the lowest price guaranteed. This project is out in Stafford, Virginia. All right, let's go. All right, guys, we just fired up the system. We got the Harmony Pro remote in here. That is a one-button press touchscreen remote, and the customer is using it right now. We're gonna go ahead and pick out a demo for you guys. But you can see, even just on the Apple TV menu, look at how bright and vibrant the imaging is. This Dragonfly high contrast screen combined with the JVC projector is an incredible value. I mean, it looks like a television on the wall. That JVC with the DILA chip in it just gives you the inky blacks. And it's native 4K, so it's super, super crisp.
This is the captain. We are running down the target. Let us attend our duty as well. This is what we train for.
Range 11 miles, bearing steady on
Range 11 miles, bearing steady on 094.
Stop that noise. Range 9.5 miles, bearing steady on 094. Close enough to 5, sir.
Heavy seas, Mr. Watson, with only a radar bearing. Let's have our eyes on it.
Sir, fall off the radar about 6 miles out.
What's this, Charlie?
Looks like he's dived, sir, by the way the pips faded out. Must have seen us, sir.
Going to the rear. Send in Kadena for rescue and bring us up to general quarters. General quarters, general quarters. Right full runner. Right full runner. Aye, aye, sir.
All right.
Shut off the surface.
Down your post. Slow to 1/3.
My language, sir. Slow to 1/3, aye, sir.
Alright guys, well that is a wrap on my demo of this sweet SVS 7.1.2 system with that native 4K JVC RS2000 onto a 120-inch high contrast Dragonfly screen. Room dimensions here, guys, I mentioned it in the full walkthrough video of this room. We got 13 by 20, so decent sized space with 2 primary seating areas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative in helping you make a buying decision, or at least gave you some inspiration on something that you could do in your own home. We strive to provide that 5-star service, as well as we have the nationwide free shipping and the lowest price guarantee on all the industry leading products. We really pride ourselves on our relationships with our clients as well as the manufacturers. We love the opportunity to earn your business. If you don't know what you need, utilize our free design service and we'll walk you through all the options available within your budget and find something that fits your needs exactly. Alright, well that's all I got for you. If you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.